Twitter originated from podcasting platform Audio, founded in 2004 by Evan Williams, Biz Stone, and Noah Glass. In 2007, Twitter Inc. was established as a corporate entity through investment from venture capitalists, with Dorsey taking on the role of CEO. Twitter's popularity surged after the 2007 South by Southwest Interactive Conference, during which Twitter usage increased from 20,000 tweets per day to 60,000. However, in terms of finances, Twitter has always lagged behind the other social media platforms. So when Elon Musk revealed that Twitter is close to collapse, it wasn't all that surprising. Elon opened up about what's going on with Twitter, revenues, layoffs, upcoming changes, and other important issues. Elon was honest and revealed how the company is on the brink of bankruptcy. As we will show you in detail, the real situation and numbers are scary for Twitter, and as Musk explained, because of this reason, he is making these drastic changes to survive, because the situation is far worse than he expected. For example, Musk has stated that Twitter Blue users will soon receive additional fascinating features, including mentions, priority ranking for answers, and less ads. However, Elon has planned other several even crazier features for Twitter Blue members as well. Also, Musk has disclosed new big updates on Twitter, including the option to link long-form text to tweets, putting an end to the ridiculousness of notepad screenshots. He has claimed that this would be accompanied by creator monetization for all types of content. Also, a few experts of this field came out and explained the fascinating reason why Twitter will soon become the biggest company and how it will dominate social media. This is a very interesting situation, so let's explain it. Twitter wasn't exactly a roaring success before Elon Musk took it. The corporation last turned a profit roughly 6 to 7 years ago. Its user base and advertising income are insignificant when compared to social media competitors, such as Facebook and TikTok. In a short-sighted move, the possibility of a Twitter bankruptcy was never really considered. Elon Musk, on the other hand, has apparently cautioned Twitter employees that bankruptcy is possible if the company does not start generating more money. Musk has admitted that Twitter's advertising income has dropped significantly due to concerns regarding content moderation on the network, especially the fate of banned accounts. He has advised Twitter staff that subscriptions must account for roughly half of the platform's earnings in order for it to survive the approaching economic crisis. According to Twitter's most recent annual report, advertising contributed to 90% of the company's $5.1 billion in revenue. Musk has set out to improve Twitter in order to transform it into a profitable business. And, according to recent advances, Twitter direct conversations will soon be encrypted end-to-end. Musk appeared to confirm the intention when a reference to the undisclosed privacy feature was discovered in code for the Android app, reacting to a tweet with a winking emoji. For Musk, placing Twitter behind a paywall is a higher risk method that is more likely to create billion-dollar subscriber income. According to reports, Musk has been considering the idea. Such a move would be unusual, but it has a chance of succeeding. Consider the New York Times company, possibly the closest analogy to a paywalled Twitter. The New York Times, like Twitter, offers mostly text-based content and has a dedicated following that is more educated, affluent, and liberal than the broader population. The New York Times likewise gave out its articles for years before implementing a paywall. The Times had around 8 million digital subscribers last year, producing $773 million in subscription income and $309 million in digital ad revenue. Given Twitter's substantially larger and more international user base, it's not impossible for Twitter to double or triple the Times total. Musk's objective may be within reach if Twitter can turn a big majority of heavy tweeters, an international term for the 10% of users who check in daily and tweet at least a few times each week, into paywall customers. It is, without a doubt, a risky venture. In the worst-case scenario, high-profile tweeters would leave them for other platforms, resulting in an avalanche of user losses. As a result, our revenue would collapse, wiping out the other half of Twitter's earnings. One of the most intriguing additions is Musk promised to monetize content creators through a new, as yet unspecified revenue-sharing arrangement. Musk stated in an interview at the Barron Investment Conference that he is thinking about adding long-form videos on Twitter and enabling producers to monetize their material, a move that might disrupt platforms like YouTube that run revenue-sharing arrangements for creators. Twitter may also begin sharing income with content producers, which is critical, according to Musk, who was speaking with Ron Barron, founder, chairman, and CEO of Barron Capital. Musk then slammed Twitter for its present inability to handle longer-form videos. He said that many tweets on the network now link to YouTube and TikTok, since Twitter does not provide users with enough on-platform video lengths to upload their recordings. That therefore prevents content producers from making money off their videos on Twitter. At Twitter, we're going to transform that quickly, according to the Tesla and SpaceX creator. Musk revealed in a tweet following his speech at the conference that Twitter will soon add the option to link long-form text to tweets, putting an end to the ridiculousness of notepad screenshots. He added in a follow-up tweet over the weekend that this would be accompanied by creator monetization for all types of content. Musk also told Barron that he is optimistic about Twitter's business prospects, claiming that the company may become one of the most valuable in the world. Meanwhile, information regarding Twitter Blue, which will cost $7.99 per month, has emerged on the Apple App Store's Twitter app page. If you join up today, you can get Twitter Blue for $7.99 per month. Does this imply a subsequent sign-up would require a larger sum? It also equates to a blue checkmark to people's power, saying that your account, like the celebrities, businesses, and politicians you already follow, will be tagged with a blue checkmark. The update is now available to iOS users in the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom. Twitter also hinted at more features coming soon to Twitter Blue members, such as fewer advertisements, priority ranking for answers, mentions, and searches, and the option to submit longer videos. The debut of Twitter Blue coincides with Musk's efforts to rid the site of spam, bots, and trolls, as well as groups that aim to sway public opinion. Musk stated that the new blue tick would be available to everyone, celebrity or not, and that people may have a secondary, tiny logo confirming their affiliation with an organization if that organization verified them. He stated that he will offer a more extensive explanation soon. His last attempt to reform verification, which he said is required to eliminate malicious bot accounts on the site and generated much-needed revenue through subscriptions, was suspended earlier this month when a flood of false accounts was discovered. According to an internal FAQ shared with Twitter's sales team to use in meetings with advertisers, monetizable daily active users (MDAU) growth has increased to more than 20% since Musk's spectacular takeover, while Twitter's biggest market, the US, is expanding even faster. According to the FAQ, Twitter has accumulated more than 15 million MADUs since the conclusion of the second quarter, when it stopped publishing financials as a public business. If those figures are consistent with how Twitter published metrics when it was public, they suggest that the service has not seen a major exodus under Musk's ownership. He tweeted that user counts have climbed dramatically all around the world since his plan to acquire Twitter was disclosed. Twitter reported 237.8 million MADUs and a 16.6% year-over-year growth rate in the second quarter. That's it for today. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification